What's up, guys? I'm going to install some new sway bar bushings on my D35 over here. I don't think they're even bad, but I saw them online. I just figured I'd buy them, see what they're looking like. Pretty easy to do. Just take the underpaneling tray off to begin with. The new bushings look like this. They basically will be able to go around the sway bar by opening up a little bit, but I'll show you guys those clamps right now. Out of the car, there's the intercooler right there. I'll give you kind of a point of reference. These are the clamps I was talking about. There's two of them only, so we'll go down and do both of these. Looks like the 13mm bolts, one on each side. So I'll do all four at the same time. The entire sway bar should drop a little bit. The bushings should come out, and then we can put the new bushings in, and then put the new ones. Put the bolts back on, and then we should have to torque it down and do 16 foot-pounds. Here's my old one. It honestly looks fine. I probably shouldn't even need to replace this, but I got new parts. The car's up here anyway, so you know what? Why not? Once you get those new ones in, I'd use some blue Loctite on the threads just to make sure it doesn't come out, and torque them down to about 16 foot-pounds of torque. Really not very much, but definitely do that. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I mean, if your car has 100,000 miles like mine does, or at least over that, a little bit, you probably don't need to change these out, honestly. They look fine to me, but I'm not sure if these are ever changed before. I haven't changed them, and I've owned the car since like 65,000, 68,000 miles, so you know, that's, you know, over 30,000 miles of use, and you know, no wear on those if that was the case, but I really doubt they were changed before. What I did notice was deteriorated before was sway bar links. My sway bar links before were pretty much clapped out. I mean, I changed them maybe 2,000 miles ago. I did make a video on them just because I didn't, you know, wasn't really doing this at that time. But those are pretty bad. They're completely worn out. So, and those actually made a pretty big difference when I changed them. Like I put some Miley HD ones for those links. At this point, I replaced pretty much every front suspension component except for the tie rods and the actual suspension itself. Like, I mean, the actual shocks and springs and all that. Eventually, I do want to do coilovers, but sometime in the near future, I'm not quite sure. I need to focus on the rear as well soon. Have not touched that whatsoever. So I've got full M3 suspension, control arms up front, and also the Miley HD sway bar links. Eventually, I may do some upgraded sway bars as well, but not necessarily at the moment. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Hope this helped you guys out. Pretty simple, very easy. Anyone can do this. I just happen to have them laying around, and as you can see, my old bushings are basically perfect still. So that's it. See y'all later.